Chat, what's poppin', man? How are you all doing? Welcome back to the streams. What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome back, yo. I've been scaring you guys, but yo, we are back. I'm super excited to be back here. Wait, let me just get this on. Yo. Wait, what? Chat was what? Alright, it's working, but it's also kind of not working. I don't really know how that works, but your guys' names turning up on the chat. But anyway, guys, what's good? Scott, what's good? Omar, what's good? Ben, me, what's good? Triz, Kata, Ben, what's good? Louis, Noodle Holtz. All right, chat. Look, what's good, Joel? Welcome back to the stream, chat. What is popping? We are back. I'm super excited to be back with you guys. It's Monday morning. Trump is getting inaugurated today. It's gonna be exciting, man. BTC's popping. Oh shit, it is. It nearly broke all-time high last night as well. Or did it break all-time high? Yeah, it did. It did. Shit, crazy. Yeah, it made a new all-time high. Insane. You love to see it. Ethereum pumping, Solana pumping. Yeah, I can't lie. I cashed out a lot of Solana at 290. It's actually an absolutely clean sell. But yeah, insane. Melania made a meme coin. Ridiculous. But chat, we're here for gold right now. So let's get to the analysis real quick. We are obviously halfway through the month right now. Literally, it's been a killer month to be fair. But yeah, man, let's see what we can do here. Let's see. So the weekly time frame obviously has come down, made a bottom wick and a top wick. So with that, we kind of need to see a little bit of a push here to the upside. And I think we will, to be honest, see at least this wick fill. Same with the daily, obviously. Daily actually previously closed bearish off this level here. So you could potentially see some form of a bearish like retracement. But I think, to be honest, probably retest the highs first before doing that. Previous 4 hour, wow, closed no top wick whatsoever and no bottom wick as well. Very interesting. And you are starting to push back down here. So to be fair, yeah, like I said, it could very much go either way right now. Drop it to the 1 hour though. The 1 hour did as well close no wick here. So let's open. Yeah, the 1 hour did close no bottom wick, which is very interesting, especially because we closed no bottom wick at the level. So with that being said, what are our levels for today? We're most likely looking here at a level exactly where we closed on gold right here, 2703.2. Looking to the left, obviously that's a very clean and strong level for sells. As well as that should take you down towards, I would say, like a minimum 2693. Push that down a little bit. 2690, yeah, 3 on the dot pretty much. Yeah, rather clean level as well. And then obviously, if we're looking for buys up here, we've got a couple of levels we can take a look at. So we can take a look at 2707. I do believe every time you close above there, yeah, you do make a push up, which is good. And that push up should take you towards, realistically, as an end goal, 2719. But obviously we can take a look at these like sort of minor resistances here as our levels. And yeah, chat, that's essentially going to be the analysis for today. Hopefully it makes sense. We have a very tight range and then some very wide ranges to the outside, which is actually perfect. That's exactly what we want to see. That means we're more likely to grab some nice positions when they do form. But chat, look, until then, obviously we'll stay locked in. Hopefully you guys all had a good weekend. Hopefully you guys are chilling as well and ready to lock back in. Other than that though, that's it, man. Let me just pull this out. There you are. Alright, cool. Yeah, chat. That's it. So any questions, please feel free to ask. If you don't understand the analysis, obviously the reason why I'm here is so that you can ask those questions. Otherwise, yeah, let's just wait for some closures. That's all we can do right now. How was everyone's weekend? What did you get up to? What did you guys get up to? I actually had a busy weekend, to be fair. Good MC, how's it going, man? What's good, Malenko, as well? We break 2707, you're going buys, but where would you place the stop loss? mean, it depends, bro. It depends what the closure outside the range is. But if it was like right now, it'd have to be below here. A big copy? Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. This tastes like shit. That water, oh. The water does not taste good. I don't even know what that is. I need a coffee too. Alright, cool. Chat. So the 30-minute did close like kind of weak bullish here, a little bit bearish. But yeah, weak bullish at the bottom of the range. Now you are pushing back up. So realistically, anything could happen here. You did make a high, and essentially you do have some bearish market structure. I think we're going to consolidate for a while here. It is a New York, an American bank holiday today. But obviously, with the Trump inauguration, I think there's going to be a lot of volatility still. So I'm not too concerned about that, to be honest. Yeah, cool. All right, chat. So look, if you did enjoy the analysis as well, make sure you like the stream early. It really does help out, right? Appreciate you guys for pulling up on this early Monday morning. But look, I think there's a lot of potential today, to be honest. I think there's a lot of potential. As long as we can close above 27.07, it's going to be a very, very clean level for us to close above. Keep talking, bro. I'm talking, bro. Don't worry. How are you? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. I'm very, very good. I think it was a good weekend. It was a busy one, but I planned out a lot of stuff regarding like content and what I'm going to bring out to you guys. I've written a lot of it down in my little journal here. I'm super excited, to be honest. I'm going to completely how do I call that? Rework? I don't know. Revamp my social media. Let's call it that. What's your feeling about US elections? Well, I mean, they're over, right? But now, obviously, yeah, Trump's inauguration today. I think it's already priced in, to be honest. Because obviously everyone knows that Trump's getting inaugurated today. So it's like very much already priced into the market. But what isn't priced in is whatever decisions he tries to make. For example, all of the policy decisions or the cryptocurrency shit, like the meme coin shit, none of that's priced in. So obviously he's going to do some weird stuff. I'm excited to see what he does. But yeah. How's my start to the year? My start to the year was great, to be fair. I actually took a loss on Friday. Before that, though, I was up by 12% for the week. So I ended up about 8% up for the week, is what it is. But still a massive W. And yeah. Wait. Now this is the Melania meme coin. Now at a market cap of 11.7 billion. Or is it 1.7 billion? Maybe it's 1.7 billion. Either way, ridiculous. Gary Gensler's out finally. Yeah, that's a W. Who made millions on this one? The amount of people making cash on these meme coins is ridiculous. Look at this. This guy turned 600k into 22 mil. Yo, who's buying 39 million worth of a meme coin? That's what I want to know. This person's got 14 mil unrealized right now. Unrealized gains of 14 mil, 15 mil. Absolutely insane, chat. The amount of money going into these coins is crazy. What's good, Max? How's it going, man? What's good, Noodle Holtz as well? Yeah, chat. A lot of opportunity for us today. I think the market's going to go crazy this afternoon, even just with the hype, to be honest. Even just the hype should bring us a lot of volume, to be honest. Yeah, we're sitting here trying to make 200. I know, bro. That's what I'm saying. Can't be right. You guys gonna stream? You're gonna stream NY today because of the US bank holiday? No. Oh wait, is the text black? Wait, let me see. It's actually a good shout. I just thought it wasn't there, but wait. Oh, it is in black. Ah, really fucking smart. All right, wait, I can fix that. Give me a sec. Yeah, I just thought it was broken, but you're right. It's just in black. I don't know why it's changed though. I didn't change it, but there you are. We move. And now it's just completely gone. That's good. Sick. Yeah, what happened? Oh no, wait, it wasn't gone. It wasn't gone. It was just reset. Wait, someone type in chat. Max has supervision? Yeah, he does. I think it just takes a bit to update. Or it's completely gone right now. Wait, but it's still black. I'm confused, man. Yeah, what's going on? I don't know, fuck it. Right, I'm gonna have to fix that afterwards. But yeah, there's not much I can do, to be honest, chat. We move. Yeah, it is what it is at this point. Alright, cool. What's good, KB? Chat, look, we have an hourly close here in about 13 minutes. The hourly is really not really done much here, to be honest. You have started to make some bearish market structure, like I said. You did actually close below, kind of at the level, but below the most recent levels. Obviously, no sells or anything from us yet. I want to see how we react here. Realistically, once we close outside this range, it will tell you which direction we do want to go in. But until we do that, there's not much to do. Again, this inner range is very tight, though. It's like a 40 pip range, so the likelihood that we do close outside the range is very, very high. But let's see. I mean, look, it could be this hour. It could be in the next, what, 30 minutes? It could be whenever. So we'll see exactly what it does. Once we do get that closure chat, though, we'll be waiting right there, ready to pounce. And yeah, we'll be able to grab it because I think we've got a lot of opportunity here. Alright, cool. Yeah, that chat's really annoying me. I can't lie, I really want to fix it, but I also don't want to take my time to focus on it. So, just chill for a sec. Yeah, cool. Chat, how was everyone's week though last week? How did you guys actually end off the week? Did you finish off strong or what? Because I think we actually had a very strong week, to be honest. It was a bit difficult Friday, to be honest. But other than that, it was a very, very good... Oh, chat's back. Let's go. Ended up with minus 0.9%. That's not bad, bro. That's minor. That's very, very minor. What's good, Raze? How's it going, brother? Did not take Friday's trade, but did it bad on the Monday? Okay, that makes sense. Yo, chat's back. I'm very happy about that. Cool. I got 15 pips just now from that range, an undisciplined and not thought out trade. Candle just looked like it should have driven down with a 4-hour flip. I decided to try it. Hey, that's not that bad of an idea, bro. You're alright. Yeah. I mean, obviously don't continue to do that, but you just tested something out. So I don't blame you, but yeah, obviously stick to the plan in future. Like, sample size the players first before you take them with real money. But yeah, no, it's alright. It's not too bad. 4 wins, 1 BE, great week. Put money in Trump meme. No way, bro. How much did you catch on the Trump meme? I was asleep for it, and then I thought it was gone, and then it wasn't even slightly gone, and now it's gone. I think it's on a massive dip right now, though. I don't think they're gonna let it. I don't think they're gonna let it like actually fail though. If it did dip, I'd probably just buy it, to be honest. Oh, wait, when was this? When did it go to 33? That's insane. Sol had me on a roller coaster recently. I know Solana's been going crazy. Trump's gonna rug. He needs the money, bro. Buy Greenland, yeah. Yeah, it went down when Melania. Yeah, I get that. I get that. But I don't think they could possibly let it fail, to be honest. Too big now to. It definitely won't rug, and it's too big for them to let it fail. Alright, chat, cool. So I'm looking to see what we do here on this 1 hour, because I do think if we close outside of the range, you will be decent for a continuation up. As well as that, the 4 hour now made a top wick after the previous 4 hour close, no top wick. So what that means is essentially, if you do want to close on the 1 hour bullish here, you can be good to continue up. We did sweep some lows as well this morning, grab some liquidity, but at the same time, I do think the market structure is still a little bit bearish. So I need a strong confirmation before jumping in buys right here. However, yeah, I think that confirmation would be enough for a closure outside this range, to be honest, to make this a low and a continuation up. They make it look bad for crypto? Yeah, they do. They do. Definitely, it's not the best. I think, to be honest, I'm not really sure why they did it. They've definitely got a plan, but what that plan is, I couldn't tell you. I've been watching with a 45-second delay. Back to live now. Hey, what's good, Scott? I had a lovely week. Last week was chill. I had 4 dubs and my first 2 entry trade or a pineapple. That was also a dub. Nice, bro. Good stuff. Oh, look who it is, Mr. Singapore. What's good, DK? How you doing, brother? What's good? What's good? Chat, listen, it's going to be a very good, very exciting week this week. I'm looking forward to it. This year and the next 4 years is going to be like a major wealth creation process. If you guys, if Trump survives, but I'm sure he will. If you guys lock in properly, genuinely, this like 4 year period will change so many lives. So many lives. It's insane. Absolutely insane. Yeah, follow Trump, put his notifications on. That's a big one. But yeah, like all US markets are going to be bullish for the next year. It's a lot. It already has. Yeah, it has completely. You're right. You're right. Changed a lot, but even still, like, even more so. You have Trump's son talking about DeFi here as well, which is crazy. Which is absolutely ridiculous. Like, DeFi was not known to the to many people until probably now, to be honest. Everyone playing on Solana for meme coins, everyone on any chain, whatever it would be, were like a minority, like a super minority. And now with Trump and Trump's son talking about World Liberty Fi and DeFi and all that sort of stuff, it's going to bring so many people into the space, like a ridiculous amount of people. President of the United States making a meme coin? Yeah. I went all in on XRP yesterday. Bro. What's XRP doing? That's a market cap, but it's still the same thing. Oh shit, fair play. Insane. Solana. Yeah, the rally hasn't even started yet. Really? What's good, Zulu? How you doing, man? They're gonna teach kids that Trump made a meme coin on the... Yeah, bro, I know. I really want to know what his plan is. I read somewhere that they're gonna make a USA coin, and that's gonna be like a reserve currency, but I don't know. Crypto should have an insane pump coming. Only thing I think about that is everyone thinks that crypto should have an insane pump. So is it going to have an insane pump? I don't know. Like, I don't like to be on the same side as the population in terms when it comes to like investment. And when every single person thinks that the market's going to push up, like for me, that's not a good sign. For example, my dad talked to me yesterday about like Trump coin and Solana. When they know nothing about crypto, that's always the number one top signal. Always the number one top signal is when your family start to talk to you about Solana. Yeah, exactly. Because everyone thinks it's going to have an insane pump, it's going to have an insane pump. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I think retail and institutional are very different, right? Like, whilst all of the retail investors were, selling off during like the, you know, the bear market and all the pullbacks and the dips in the market, all the retail would have been buying Solana super, super low, and Ethereum and Bitcoin and all this, and now drumming up the hype. Everyone thinks it's going to run, and that's when the institutional players start to sell off and take profits, which is exactly why I took profits yesterday, because I think at the end of the day, you know, you don't want to be in line with the retail market, to be honest. You kind of want to be in line with the institutional in order to be profitable. Cool. All right. I was always told by my uncle and other people when people at the pub and at home start saying to buy, that's when you should start to sell, and it's facts. Yeah, it is. It is. I realistically expect one more pump, not a huge ass one, but one more, and that's going to be pretty much it. Yeah, to be honest, when Solana came anywhere close to 300, that was when I started selling my bags, to be honest. when it broke all-time high, and then when it came close to 300, that was me out. Well, not out, but mostly out. I think I should sell my soul very soon. Yeah, I sold about 70%. I still have some, obviously, but I sold quite a lot. I'm waiting for Ethereum to rip up as well, to be honest, but I don't know if it will. Hold quite a bit of Ethereum. The other thesis is that obviously that we don't actually drop here, and we still haven't had a like an altcoin season or you know, anything like that, which is true. Like technically alts haven't gone parabolic yet. Like during every market we at least see like a big run up of like Ethereum, alts, etc. Let me just say I don't trade crypto there. I'm holding for like 5 to 10 years unless something major shifts. Yeah, to be honest, it would have been stupid for me to not take profits, I think. Like, it got to that point, so realistically, I just was happy with it. But yeah, I probably need to... Oh, wait, shit. 5-minute no top wick at the top of the range. Next 5-minute came back down, closed bearish. Got hourly closing here as well, but you are closing bullish towards the top of the range. So there's not much I can do here just yet. But this would be very nice now. If we can come and get a bottom wick on like the 30 or the 15 and then close above the level here, that'd be very, very nice, to be honest. Most of wars are over, 1 or 2 remaining. Dollar is getting stronger. Why do you think gold is still going on a bullish trend with no correction at all? The wars really aren't over, and the dollar's still inflationary. Gold's still deflationary, right? Gold will always be going upwards, regardless of if there's wars or not. Obviously, there will be some correction, like you said, and that's probably what you mean. But I think corrections on gold are normally ranges rather than like retracements. If you look at like the weekly time frame, yeah, we do have some actual retracements. But like normally, gold, instead of like correcting, really just does something like this, right? Obviously you have like some, but it normally just has some consolidation periods rather than that. And yeah, the uncertainty with Trump coming in, all of that sort of thing, it's just not, it's just, you know, people will want to hold gold right now because again, the economy is very uncertain. There's a lot of like natural disasters going on and stuff. There's a lot of, you know, fear of government, all of that sort of thing. That all of these are little sentiments that feed into the fact that, you know, gold will still continue to be very valuable. I don't trade crypto, I just DCA weekly and have a decent amount locked and staked. I'm mainly holding for that long run, same as Omar. I don't want to sell for at least 10 to 20 years. I think that's a very valid like thesis. Sometimes I get very skeptical of crypto though. I think it's a lot more mainstream than people think it is. You know what I mean? Like, I think a lot of people think they're still early on crypto, but realistically, I don't think anyone is. I think this is quite like, crypto is quite mainstream. Everyone knows what crypto is now. 2020, yeah, people were early. 2017, people were super early. 2014, people were super early. But now I don't think anyone's early on crypto anymore. I think it's very, very saturated. I think a lot of people, a lot of institutions are very heavily positioned. The biggest owner of Bitcoin is fucking BlackRock. And then second is the US government. Like, it's not decentralized really anymore, to be honest. Just my opinion there. Alright, chat, look, drop a like if you haven't already, by the way. 52 of you in here right now. I appreciate it a lot. We are pushing above the level, so if we can get some nice closures here, we might have some potential positions early on stream, which is going to be great. But yeah, let's see if we can get to like 50 likes on today's stream already. Massively appreciate it. And yeah, let's see. Where can we buy crypto coin? What crypto coin do you want to buy? Any recommendations of a broker? Do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? It really depends. If you want to buy meme coins, you need to be on Solana. But if you just want to buy something normal, then just go to Coinbase or Binance or something like that. I disagree. I think crypto is still way too early. The thing with crypto is that the building is not happening underground and show up with the finished project. It's being created publicly. Yeah, I think so, bro. But at the same time, yeah, I do agree. I think, yeah, you are definitely right with that, bro. That's a very valid point. I just think in terms of like mainstream investment, like Bitcoin and all that sort of thing. I think it's already like an issue. I think it's already pretty late on, to be honest. Like, yeah, new projects and shit, but then like I have never ever seen a crypto project overtake like a regular project, and that's what concerns me. Like, I know XRP is now getting used, or now getting talks of being used in banks. I mean, it's always had talks, but it actually looks somewhat serious. But I've never seen like any of these, like, for example, GameFi, as in like DeFi games and stuff. Never really seen them work too well. I know the AI coins are starting up now, but I don't know if they have really any use outside of like it being a bit of a niche. I don't know, we'll see. I could be massively wrong on those though. That's the thing. Like, for me, it just seems like a bubble now. Don't get me wrong, I'm still heavily invested because I think it will go up, but I'm just talking about a long-term use case. I think Bitcoin is good, obviously, but I just don't think anyone's early anymore. Cap. Same with every industry, only 1% of clothing brands will make it. Yeah, it's true, bro. It's true. It's 100% true. Got money in 2 altcoins. What 2 altcoins? Can't wait to lose it all by the end of the day. Yeah, trust me. Think about it. Meta is coming too close to releasing VR as normal wearable glasses. This will open the gate for mass use of crypto and NFT tech. Will it? Oh my, you don't think they're just going to release a CBDC and use that for everything? I'm just playing devil's advocate here, by the way. I'm not disagreeing with you. I think there's a lot of opportunities for what you're saying, but I don't see a world where the US government or any government allows full decentralized currency. Why would they do that? I think they're gonna, I don't know. Well, I mean, we'll see. Chat, rejecting off the level as well here, which is interesting. Now, if you do close below, you have grabbed liquidity from above, which is good. So either way here, we should be good to get some positions very, very shortly. I want to see exactly how we close here on the next, probably the next 15 and the next 30 as well. So we have 7 minutes here to the 15-minute close. It's not a long time to wait, to be honest. So I do believe there's a lot of opportunity here. Stay focused, stay locked in. And yeah, a lot of opportunity. The government will end up assassinating Trump. CIA, yeah, but let's not talk about that on stream, to be honest. Echelon Prime and Xauusd. Nice, bro. I don't know either of those, to be honest. Let the guy pump crypto a lot first, at least. Crazy. If they release it, it'll be the biggest catalyst for crypto, though. Mass familiarity with the crypto field, better UX. If they release a CBDC, they won't allow decentralized cryptos to be bought. They'll only allow the CBDC to be bought. Why would they release it and not and allow the other ones to exist? I don't know though. The possibility of a CBDC is probably delayed a little bit now that Trump's in office. I doubt he would be pro that, to be honest. I mean, we'll see. Obviously, I can't predict shit. 6 minutes here, chat, to the 15-minute close. All I'm trying to do right now is get my 20 pips or 10 pips for the day. It's realistically all that we need to do. As long as they leave the Forex markets open, I'm very chilling. So that's all that matters, to be honest. EU will do it before US now. Yeah, I think the EU will. They're already trying to, right? The EU's bullshit, to be fair. But saying that, I'm about to move to an EU country, so I love the EU very much. Thank you very much to the European courts. Yes. Yeah, we're pushing here, though. We've got a lot of volume right now, which is great. A lot of volume. No offense, EU is a bit better than the UK that decided to Brexit the fuck out of it. Yeah, bro, that's like, you're 100% right, but at the end of the day, that's like comparing fucking, I don't know, anything to a piece of shit, right? Anything's gonna be better than the piece of shit. Like, bro, I'm gonna get arrested for saying that, but UK's cooked. Yeah, the UK's not ideal here. I do think the EU's very, like, a lot more controlling, though, than what we have in the UK, to be honest, like, with all the climate shit and everything. Tate gets Prime Minister, that's never, ever gonna happen. That would never, ever happen, bro. I don't understand that, to be honest, like, what? Although we said Trump would never, ever get into office, so, you know, anything can happen, I guess. Maybe to move to Spain by September. Hey, good stuff, Jay. Spain was one of the ones I was looking at. There's a reason why I didn't go there, though. And, yeah, it was... I won't say on here, but it's a very strong reason why I didn't want to go to Spain. Yeah, my papers are being processed right now. Tax? No, I'll say tax on here. There's also another one. Oh, sick. Okay, one sec, chat. One sec. Chat. Looks like I'm going. You heard what PM is doing? Yeah, bro, I've heard all of it, man. It's not ideal. But which specific thing are you talking about? Like, there's a lot. There's a lot. A lot of it's cooked right now. Yeah, yeah, Kat, that's completely right, bro. Which one? Like, what? Bro, there's so much bullshit going on. KB, how's the fast going on, by the way? I'm waiting for your video tonight. I'm sat there eagerly awaiting. We're about to get a big paragraph from KB here. Five-minute no bottom wick. You push down, starting to reject now, chat. We are within the level right here. So until we close outside, there's not much I can do. But I do think we are grabbing liquidity here for the 30-minute to close back above, most likely. So yeah, I reckon around 9:30, we're probably going to be looking at getting positioned. Facial record. Yeah, bro. He's turning it into... Well, it's ridiculous. Bro, we just pledged like 300 billion to that other country that I don't want to say either because I'm gonna get. Bro, I really need to stream on like Kick or something or Rumble or something like that so I can actually speak to you guys. But holy fuck, get me out. Yeah, not ideal at all, man. Have you seen those sweaters or those clothes that have like what is it? They essentially have a pattern on them that fucks up the cameras, so there's no facial detection on them. I think those are sick. Everyone's gonna be wearing them in about fucking 3 or 4 years time. Nice. Gonna get one with Kata's face on? Bro, that'd be hilarious. Oh yeah, you could get a mask with someone else's face on it. That'd be so sick. YouTube can't hurt you no more. Crazy. I think it can. Oh, true, to be fair. Like, wait, hasn't... Wait, it's owned by Meta, right? Yeah, it is. Bro, so... Did anyone watch the Joe Rogan podcast with Zuck? Kind of interesting. It seems as if they're going towards more of a free speech sort of place. I don't know though. We'll see. We might be able to talk about stuff on YouTube in future. 15-minute close here though. We do have essentially a very clean, essentially level between these two areas is what I'm trying to say. Very choppy though within the range, so there's absolutely nothing I can do here. Like, you don't want to be trading these areas at all. There's no clean structure within this range. It's all just chop. So again, I really do have to wait for a closure outside. We do have a volume spike normally towards like 9:30, 10ish, so we can realistically wait for that, see what it's going to bring us. It will most likely bring us a closure outside the range that we can then grab our positions off of. So to be honest, yeah, let's see. You'll have UK Popo knocking. I'm not going to be in the UK for much longer, KB, so unless they want to come to the country that I'll be living in, then I don't know. Extradition order for trend lines. Imagine. That's the next step. Nah, but listen, I've actually got viewings towards the end of this week in, yeah, Qatar. So I'm literally gonna be going out to Cyprus to go look at apartments towards the end of this week. So I'm super fucking excited. Super excited. WSG, I know, bro. What's the price range for rent there? It depends, bro. Like, realistically... Wait, one sec. Oh, wait, one sec. Alright, cool. The place that I'm looking is like the expensive place. So there's like a few cities there. One of them's like a main hub for like business and like essentially all of the people who've moved from like the UK or Europe who've got a lot of money live there. So it's essentially like full of expats, full of like millionaires, and obviously because of that, it's more expensive, but it's also nicer. The apartments I'm looking at right now are between like 1,500 to 2,000 euros. But they're like huge. They're literally like 3-bed apartments, like 130 meters squared, like really nice. So like it's definitely worth it. Whereas if you wanted to go like live in one of the other towns or whatever, you could probably pay like 600 to 1,000, and you get somewhere like pretty much similar, 2-bed probably, maybe like 85 square meters. So it definitely could be affordable. I'm just willing to pay a little bit more. I'm off. Have a great morning. I'll catch you on Discord. Alright, KB, in a bit, man. Have a good one. What's the 30 meters squared? That's a lot, no? I think that's quite a lot. For an apartment, that's a lot. What's good, Jar? How's it going, man? The way you worded it was a bit funny. Oh, okay. I think that's 130 square meters. Is that what? Yeah, I mean both. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What's good, Leron? Hey, Sam, with a $1,000 account, what would you recommend doing? $1,000 account, I would recommend you just continue to learn to trade with it. So obviously it's not the biggest account. It's also not a small account though, so you don't want to be reckless. You know, I'd be risking probably $50 per trade if I was you. That's like 5%. Between like 20 to $50 a trade. Focus on journaling, focus on improving your strategy. You know, don't actually focus on flipping the account. You know, don't focus on trying to, you know, get crazy profits. Journal, you know, focus on the strategy. Essentially test to yourself if you can be profitable on a live account for like 6 months. Whilst you're doing that, obviously have a job, you know, or some other income source that you're regularly depositing into that account with. And then over time, obviously that account is going to grow for a while, to be honest. It's going to grow over time, and eventually you're going to be on like a 10k account by the time you realize what you've done. So yeah, just focus on the skill, not the money, and you'll be good. What's good, Mark? How's it going, brother? Bro's going to the UAE or what? Nah, not the UAE. I'm staying in Europe, to be honest. Staying in Europe. Yeah, I'm looking at Cyprus right now, to be honest. Sorry, chat, one sec. Nice. I finished the FTMO Academy and passed the exam. I received a 20% discount on my next challenge. Bought 100k. Let's go, Louis. Good stuff. That's huge. That's a W, man. Congrats. Congrats. Now just lock it in, pass it, and you'll be good. I currently work in Dubai, and I just have this 1,000 on the side, kind of starting to trade with, and 100k funded as well, so might use a copy trader. Yeah, that's what I would do, bro. So find whatever your stop loss is. You know, pick a lot size to use on the 100k funded. Trade your 1k live account, and then essentially copy trade it into it. Isn't Monaco more appealing with 0% income tax? Yeah, Monaco is more appealing, but I realistically don't have 30k a month to spend on rent, so yeah, like and that's probably a minimum, to be honest. Like, you gotta have some stupid money to live out there. Like, I definitely cannot afford Monaco right now. If I could, I'd be there, probably. But yeah, it's tough. There was a few other options, right? There's a few options with 0% tax as well, but I'm happy to pay a little bit more tax. Like, it's 2.7% tax or something like that, which is not bad. Also, the good thing about Cyprus as well is every single year you get a trading allowance. So obviously, because I trade gold, gold isn't tax-free in Cyprus, but up to the first 90k, it's all tax-free. So I'm not going to pay tax on the first 90,000 euros that I make from trading every year, which is so nice. Which is super, super nice. What's good, Eugene? This guy's ignoring me on WhatsApp, but typing in my chat. What's going on? We're gonna have to fight right now, Eugene, to be honest. What are we looking for today, G? Mark, good question. I'm waiting for a closure outside this range. I think once we close outside either way, we're going to see a push to that direction, right? So if we close to the downside, see a push down. If we close to the upside, we'll see a push up. So let's see. Have you thought on moving to Malta? Yeah, Malta was another option. I think Malta's probably a little bit too quiet for what I want, to be honest. I don't really know too much about it, but again, I just like the Greek way of life. I like all of that stuff. Malta's definitely nice. Like, it looks beautiful and the tax is great, but I think for me, I'd just rather be somewhere. I don't know. I've been to Cyprus, like I know it. I like the Greek culture. I also have connections there that have got me like apartments and tax like accountants and like I already have an accountant out there, a lawyer out there. I have a guy who's going to import my car. I have someone who's looking for apartments for me. Everything. Does the language not put you off? i.e. not speaking the local? Bro. Nah, they all speak English. Like, everybody speaks English. Even the locals speak English to each other. Like, and especially because this is quite, like, where I'm going is quite a big, like, city. It's all pretty much international anyway. If not, bro, I'll just learn it. I'll get Mark to teach me. Look at this push up, though. This is interesting. So 15 minutes pushing up here. 30 minutes coming up towards a flip. If we can close outside the range in the next 4 minutes here, we should be good to take some buys to continue up to at least like 27.11. So let's see what we can do, chat. I mean, there's a lot of potential right now. A lot of potential. We'll start to lock it in the next few minutes here for this closure if we're outside the range. If not, we'll wait and see. Did you, bro? Don't worry. Hey, thank you, Mark. God bless America. America. Yeah, man. It's gonna be an interesting few weeks, few months, few years actually. Like, chat. I was trading crypto when Trump was last in office. I wasn't trading gold or Forex, but literally one tweet could change everything. Literally everything. Again, you're targeting 27.11. I'm targeting 27.18. Nah, 27.11 is just like the BE point, most likely. Funny how market keeps repeating itself. Yeah, trust me. 27.18 definitely should get tapped. 27.17 around there. But yeah, that is funny, Omar. Bro, I remember last time Trump was in office, literally he just tweet some bullshit out and it'd move the market like 10%. Peace talks Middle East, ceasefire even. I know, bro. Saw a lot of people saying that Biden, that was like Biden's doing, but it's clearly not. Like, it's obvious how it's happening and why. Like, coming into Monday or today, I guess. Yeah, notifications on Trump's X is actually a must for this economy. It's like a big, big must. Okay, chat. 2 minutes here to the 30-minute closure. Let's see what we can do. Are we going to be within the range? Most likely the answer is yes, right? 5 minute no top wick. What's good, Scooby? How you doing, man? Yeah, let's see. I need to open my broker, actually. Give me 1 sec. Didn't even have the broker open. Guy's a fake trader. 100%. All right, cool. We're ready. We're ready. We're locked in, chat. Let me just make sure signals are on. Okay, cool. It should be. If the signal doesn't work, then fuck it, but it should do. Chat, listen, drop a like on today's stream. We've got 1 minute here to the closure. 70 of you in here right now. Let's try and get to 50 likes on the stream. I do massively appreciate it. Again, this is going to be a bit of a longer stream today. Obviously, we've got a lot of opportunity, a lot of volume coming into the market. Trump's inauguration today as well. I'm looking forward to trading New York. I will be trading New York, even though it's a bank holiday, because I don't think that the banks are going to sit to the side during today. Like, I think there's going to still be a lot of volume, regardless of the fact that it's a bank holiday. I doubt anyone would want to be on the sideline during today or tomorrow. I mean, look, let's see. It looks to me as if the 30-minute is going to close within the range, though, unfortunately. Let's see, 30 seconds. Yeah, I mean, even if you pushed up right now, the 5-minute and the 15 would have no top wick, so a little bit concerning. We might have to wait till the next 15-minute. But chat, I do expect a lot of volume to enter into the markets within the next, like, from now to within the next, like, 30 minutes. Normally, we do get a nice little injection of volume around this time. Otherwise, right, it could be 10:30. But even if it is then, right, we'll still be on, we'll still be waiting. And to be honest, I still think there's going to be a lot of opportunity throughout the rest of today. Oh, you know what I'm super excited about as well? Oh, wait, quickly, chat. The 30-minute did close within the range, so nothing I can do here as well. The 15-minute close, pretty much no top wick. So yeah, no positions for me right now. But you know what I'm also excited about too? If I do, well, when I do move to Cyprus, time zone is going to be super different, right? I'm going to be like 2 hours ahead. I'm going to wake up at the same time. I'll probably start stream like 2 hours earlier. And be able to trade like early London. Which is going to be real nice. I'm very, very excited for that, to be honest. It's going to allow me to essentially catch like pre-London. Pre-London's sick. Gonna have the same time zone finally? Yeah, true. That's going to be sick. It's going to be super cool. Yeah, like I love pre-London, to be fair. The volume always looks really good in pre-London, but I'm always a little bit too sleepy to catch it. The Romanian time zone? Yeah, trust me. Or it's actually elite. Like even like German time zone's good for trading, but that 2 hour ahead time zone, so like the Romanian Greek time zone is so good. What's good? Level up, how's it going, man? What's good? What's good? 6-7 a.m. pre-London, the move usually takes Asia liquidity. Yeah, it takes the liquidity and then rips up normally. This one was a bit earlier today. It was during Asian that we actually swept the previous lows from here. But yeah, a lot of the time you do see like a big sweep and then push. Quick swim away from here. Yeah, Umar, get your shorts on and get your life jacket on and have a little swim, mate. We'll do a meetup. Nah, yeah, but obviously hoping all goes well with that because I'm super excited to get out of this country. And to be in a better climate, to be fair. Yo, some of the apartments I looked at were literally like on the beach. I'm gonna take a stop loss and then go for a swim to ease my mind. Or just drown. Nah, I'm joking. Is it bad to trade a bank holiday? Dylan, with bank holidays, realistically, you just have to kind of wait and see. Sometimes it's like literally zero volume. Sometimes there's enough volume for you to trade. I think today, with everything that's going on, I think there's going to be still a lot of volume. So I don't think it's going to be bad at all. Yeah, but I mean, look, it depends. Obviously, during a New York bank holiday or a US bank holiday, New York's normally a little bit dead. But you still have the London session as well that, like, you know, the overlap, which you can still trade. I'm a little bit more careful towards the PM session. That's when the overlap stops and when there's like a lot less volume, right? But nah, we should be good today, to be honest. We should be good. Quick jet ski race in the med. I'm definitely gonna buy a jet ski, bro. I can't lie. I'm definitely buying a jet ski. How much is a jet ski? Yo, they're actually expensive. $20K. 20k for this jet ski. To be fair, it looks quite nice, I can't lie, but a lot of fucking money for a jet ski. That's an old one too. Oh, okay, wait. We'll get one of these. But I thought they'd be like 4 or 5k. Maybe I'm not going to buy one. Maybe not. Some of them are turbo and supercharged? No way, bro. That's insane. Why would you get a turbocharged or supercharged jet ski, bro? That's ridiculous. Bro, I drove on one once and I crashed like into a wave at like literally 80 miles an hour on this jet ski. And I had someone on the back and they went flying off. Started crying. It was not good. Bro, it was not good. Fun though. My mate had a turbo on it, cost him 15k. That's not bad. What if I buy one and then put a turbo on it? I do some super janky modifications to it. Put like a fat exhaust on the back. Joking. Almost crashed into a container ship once. Fuck me, bro. That's not ideal. Put a V8 in it? Yeah, trust me. Omar, was the container ship moving or what? Because surely you... Bro. Why don't you get a quad? 4 to 5k, a very good one. Really? Now that is something that interests me. Bro, the amount of times I've been in Greece on a quad is next... That is a lot. And they are... It's one of the top 10 funnest things you can do. Let me see. Wait, what are they called? ATV, probably. Yo. Oh, chat, I'm buying one. I'm 100% buying one. Like, zero doubt. This one's got an ATV and a jet ski, bro. What? It's only 1.3k. I know it's gonna be slow as fuck, but I don't really care. Right, chat. That's the decision made. I'm buying one. Sick. Anyways, chat. I drove a linear 100 kilometers an hour. That's insane, bro. Yeah, I'm not really like a adrenaline junkie, to be fair. Dude driving the jet ski decided to switch with me without stopping, so as we were switching seats, we just kept going straight into it. Bro, that's crazy. That's ridiculous, Omar. Alright, chat, look. Pushing back down here, we do need to close outside this range, and we need some volume before we do that. So for right now, we just have to wait and see. Stay focused a little bit. I mean, look, if you have any questions, guys, now's your opportunity to ask them whilst we have some time when we are consolidating here. But if you do have anything, make sure you ask, because now is actually a time that I can genuinely answer it. What's good news, by the way? I didn't say hi. Good was good. Yeah, too much money. You almost do stupid crashes. Yeah, exactly, bro. Like, I'm not really that focused on going crazy fast. Especially, like, most likely I'll have my girl on the back and she'll be going like, stop driving too fast. With the amount of stupid shit I've done when I was young, I'm surprised I'm still alive. Yeah, I think everyone has that. Like, I feel the same, to be fair. 30 minute no top wick. It does have no real top wick, but doesn't mean I can take any positions here, man. I do need to see a closure outside this range. Got some dad lore? Exactly, bro. It's all about the story that you can tell the kids when they grow up. Dad law is the most important part of life. I've already got some insane dad law, to be fair, but definitely need to build it up a little bit. What's good, Joel? How you doing, man? Oh, you already here? You can get a second high, though. If you were to take a trade, how many contracts would you use on a 150k account? Ah, bro, contracts is a difficult one. I don't trade futures too much, but I think it was like one major contract I was using on a 150, or maybe two. Just what I would do, bro, is just get a risk calculator and risk whatever 1% of your account is with your stops. That's realistically the best way to do it. How many lots on a 100k account on CFD? For me personally, I would be on like a 5 lot probably, 4 or 5 lot. Because unfunded this is, right? Because 40 pip stops, 4 lots would be 1.6k maximum risk. So I'd be risking like 1.5% max. But most of my trades are like 20, 30 pips. So like it'd end up being average around 1% risk. Yeah, 4, 5, 6 lots, something like that. Probably not a 6 lot. It depends. It depends on like how risk averse you want to be. If you want to risk 1%, then do like 3 or 4 lots, depending on your stop loss size. I would say work out what your biggest possible stop loss is. For me, like I'm not taking any trades above a 40 pip stop. And then work out what like your maximum risk you're willing to take. So let's say you're willing to take 2% risk. 40 pip stop loss, 2% risk on a 100k account. That's going to be 5 lots for $2,000. So yeah, then you can pop a 5 lot. And then obviously any trades underneath that 40 pip stop loss, you're sort of under risking a little bit, which is good. That's the way that I do it, to be honest. That's, I think, the best way to manage risk. It's the easiest way as well. I once let my friend ride one of my quad bikes, and when we were about to turn around in the corner, bro tried a 2-wheel turn and we went flying. Bro, that's insane. Dangerous shit, bro. What's good though, GG? Welcome to the chat, man. Yeah, that's 2-wheel turn, no shot. 2%, I only risk 1% per days. That works for me, slow and steady. Okay, fair. It just depends. It just depends, like, what your win rate is, what your tolerance for risk is, all that sort of thing. But yeah, about to drop out from uni and follow my trading career. I made $2. Hey, W, bro. Big dubs. Yeah, drop out. That's it. You made it. You made it, man. I want to get a funded account this year, but I don't know who to go with or how big of an account. So, bro, I recommend ACG for funding. You can also get 20% off of it with code SG. So you literally are going to save quite a bit of money with that. But in terms of how big of an account, what I would say is realistically, find whichever size you can afford and go with that one. So, like, you know, realistically, you're better off going with a smaller account to start with too. Let's say you can afford like a max of 25k account. I would say start with a 10k account and then either buy 1 or 2. You got a higher chance of passing it. And yeah, that's what I'd realistically look at doing. Shit. Good, TT. More red than green today? Yeah. I mean, Bitcoin's looking nice. Bananas. Daily's actually okay. Ethereum looks okay. Ethereum's struggling though, which is pissing me off, to be honest. What's a good lot size for gold on a 50k account? Again, bro, it just depends on your stop loss size. But if your stops are like 40 to 50 pips, you realistically need like a 1 lot or a 2 lot max, to be honest. You can get a free ACG account if you send SG some cake. Crazy. I mean, maybe. Trump coin, what's good, Paulie? Yeah, Trump coin's going crazy. Is TradingView alerts working to you? To me, it says it's on maintenance. Yeah, I never use the alerts, to be honest, but let's see. Yeah, it's maintenance. Yeah, I didn't know which type of cake Omar meant, to be honest, so I just kind of brushed that one off. Are you still using Funded Trading Plus? I don't like use them because I don't trade funded, but I mean, they're still not a bad firm. I'm really more for, like, I would recommend ACG a bit more now though. I would never badmouth them. They're still a decent firm. Yeah, I can't wait for my podcast with Bright Funded to come out, to be honest. That should be coming out like this week, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's not out yet, but I mean, we'll see. I think it's gonna be a sick one, to be honest. You guys are gonna love it. You meme on ICT traders, right? A little bit, yeah. I did violate ICT traders a little bit. I can't lie. Ask Mr. Eduardo. Yeah, I will do. Protein cake, maybe. Yeah, 15-minute closing here. Again, just ranging. Look at this 5-minute chat. You don't want to trade this. It's so choppy. It's really choppy, but the most important thing is outside the range. Look at, you just have clean traffic, especially if you close to the downside here. You just have clean traffic all the way down. You're probably going to come and grab this bottom wick at some point anyway, and this one. So realistically, once we close outside, you're most likely just going to see something like this. Like a strong push through. As well as that, obviously, to the upside. The traffic's a little bit less clean, but I do still think you'll tap into like 2617. 2716, sorry, other way around. You'll see something like this, right? Again, just a strong push through. So I expect once we do get our positions, they're going to be very strong pushes and therefore very fast positions. And, you know, realistically, we could be good to hold runners towards the bottom of the range. So let's see what happens, chat. But just listen, stay locked in, stay focused. Drop a like on the stream as well if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed too, make sure you do that. We're getting extremely close to a 6K subs right here. We are literally, what, 50 subs off? Insane. So yeah, make sure you guys go and run that one up. 15 no wicks. Ugh, no top wick and no bottom wick. Very not nice at all, to be honest. Been here since 3K, damn. Hey, Alpha, I appreciate that, man. That's good stuff. Bro, a lot of people have been here since early, which is really nice to see. Obviously, you've got the same people pulling up every single day. But yeah. It means a lot, man. It means a lot. Such a tight community. What do you think about ICT 2022 mentorship? I think I haven't watched it, so I can't really say shit. But for the fact that it's like so many hours long, how long is it? Isn't it like 200 hours or something? Yeah, it's a bit too complicated for me, to be honest. All right, Joel. Yeah, let me know. 21 hours. Okay, that's not too bad. I thought it was like 100 hours. Okay, 21 hours is not bad. That's like the same length as mine, to be honest. Where does it show on Forex Factory it's a bank holiday? There's a grey folder and it shows right. Yeah, look, USD bank holiday. Ah, World Economic Forum annual meetings. Davos. Fuck that. Need some profit share? Of what? The subs? What? Yeah, man. 702 break and we can drop to a lower range? Yeah, I agree. Today, any Trump talking? Yeah, he'll do like an inauguration speech, but it won't really focus on too much policy, I don't think. Imagine he shouts out Trump coin. Just partying today. That guy's never drank alcohol in his life. How crazy is that? That is insane. Actually, he says Bitcoin to the moon. Bro, if he says something about crypto, he will say stuff about crypto, most likely. Yeah, big push. Look at this Bitcoin push we had earlier as well on the 1 minute chart. Literally just a straight push up. I'm not paid in BTC now. I won't short. I don't think it's a good idea to short it, to be honest. I did take some profits over the weekend, like I said, but yeah, I definitely wouldn't be shorting here. About as believable as Prince Andrew Don't Sweat. I don't know, bro. I would say I believe it, to be honest. Like, why would he lie about drinking or not? I just don't think there's any purpose in that. There's plenty of people that have never drank, or like drank once or twice and then never liked it. I don't drink, and I think it's very believable that other people don't as well. You in Greece or Cyprus? Lex, the man from Romania. Maybe we do an ATV adventure on some islands. Yeah, bro, 100% project. We'll do that. I definitely want to do some shit. Like a meetup or something, ATV shit, jet skis, whatever, man. It would be so sick. During summer, it's going to be insane. I'm going to do so much out there, especially for the people, bro, especially because I'll have like quite a big apartment and everything. We can do some sick meetups, some trading out there. It's going to be so fun. Beer low-key tastes bad. Yeah, I mean, you have to get used to beer, right? Overslept / good morning. What's good, JJ? How you doing, man? No, chat. I'm gonna do some crazy events though once I've moved, once I get my new place. These meetups are only for the profitable members. Crazy. Sheikh Shafak, what's good? Welcome. Any news today affecting gold? Yeah, Trump's inauguration, but no actual like red folder events. Nah. I love beer, but bad for my abs, bro. Trust me. Probably the worst thing for your abs. Bro, I haven't drank in like. Actually, I drank on New Year's this year, but before that, I hadn't drank in like 2 years. And I don't really regret it, to be honest. Like I don't think drinking is very positive. For me, at least, I don't enjoy it, to be honest. But there we go. All right, chat. 9 minutes. It's each to their own as well. I'm not one of those people that says like you can't drink because you know, like everyone shouldn't drink. Like if you want to drink, who cares? No beer in 3 years? Yeah, W, bro. Alright, chat, look, 8 minutes here to this hourly close. Let's see what we can do here. I think there's a lot of opportunity, to be honest, if we can close outside the range. Once, it's one of those things, you're consolidating for so long. Once you do close outside the range, yeah, you're good to go. You are good to go. Yeah, exactly, Joel. What you saying earlier about shorting BTC with a lot of people underwater in shorts. But once they get liquidated, it's literally a short squeeze, right? And there's just a big push up. All of the people who are shorting Bitcoin eventually will be liquidated. Once that happens, again, it's just another pop up. And that's essentially when you see, like, against a push like this, right? The liquidation of the shorts is essentially just buy volume coming back into the market. And that's a big catalyst for some moves upwards. But chat, look, the 30-minute here is flipping upwards, which is great. If we can close above, if we can close above, that'd be great. Yeah, his brother died due to alcohol abuse, right? Yeah. The fucking shorting BTC, isn't it? All-time high right now. Yeah, a lot of people want to try and pick the tops. You have to understand that you're a trader, so you think like a rational trader, right? But a lot of people think, oh shit, if I short now and it goes back down to so-and-so, I'll make this much. And they want to be right about everything. They want to short, like, bro, there's a lot of stupid people right now. I guarantee there's a lot of short positions on Bitcoin. Short interests on Bitcoin. Let me see. It's like 50-50. It's literally 50-50. Like about half the market's short, about half the market's long. That's ridiculous. Who's bearish on Bitcoin? Look at this. 36% of people, so over 57% of people said that they're bearish on Bitcoin right now. A little tick. How can people be bearish on Bitcoin currently when it looks like this? I'm bearish on Bitcoin long term, bro. Maybe, but right now you cannot be bearish. You can't even think about selling that. We all went through stupid phases. Yeah, you're right, bro. You're right, 100%. 5 minutes here, 30 minutes pushing up. This could be very clean if we can push up a little bit further here towards the close. Need to push up about 15 pips and we're good. Can we close outside the range on this hourly? Would be extremely nice if we could. Still in mine? Crazy. People like Pico tops, that's stupid. I know, bro. People try and get the exact top and then they want to be right. Like, bro, there's no point. Shorting all-time highs is the most stupid thing ever, in my opinion. Absolutely stupid. But then again, bro, people would say the exact same to us for buying all-time highs. Like, when gold was down here and we were buying all-time highs as it was pushing up, a lot of people said to me, like, bro, why are you buying the high? Why are you buying the high? And that was when gold was, like, fucking here, right? Or even like here and here as well at 2000. Why? Oh, bro, why are you buying the high? All-time highs right now. What are you doing, bro? And then it ran all the way to 2780. Yeah, sure. Ja, you make the very common mistake of thinking that most people have logic. 99% of these traders are literally trading off of emotions and like gambling, bro. Bro, you're asking questions that would imply that these traders have common sense. They don't have stop losses. It's their liquidation price. Like they literally hold, crypto traders specifically hold positions until they get liquidated. Like, yeah. They literally will just have like, I used to trade crypto with a lot of the people like this. They literally would say like, yeah, this is my entry. I'm going to add more. If I get liquidated, it'll be at this price. That's all that matters. And they just scale down until they eventually get liquidated. I guarantee if you go on crypto Twitter right now, there's a lot of people talking about like BTC shorts and shit. Or like for the traders, that is. For the holders, everyone's bullish as fuck, but... Devil's Casino, trust me. Got 2 minutes to the hourly close. Can we get a closure above? You got literally 2 minutes to move about 10 pips. They're in it for all or nothing, basically gambling. Yeah, exactly. All of them are gambling, bro. Like 99% of them are gambling. That's why most people lose money. Trump coin is crazy if you actually think about it. I really think that they're going to do some stuff with DeFi here in the next, like, during his term. Wow. It's really not a bad idea to invest in like the exchanges like Jupiter and Radium for Solana. What I said, BTC will go down, has to trap most people. Yeah, it does, bro. Buy all the coins, thanks SG. I got you, bro. Buy everything. Chat, rejecting in the last minute here. This is tough. I think realistically, this could be a bottom wick. I think you're probably going to see just a push straight out of the range. Or we're just going to continue to range for about fucking 10 hours. Holding Xauusd. Yeah, nah, I would look at like Radium, Jupiter, all of those little things. Meteora. Chat, 32 seconds till we close here on the 1 hour candle. I was really hoping that we would close above the range, but it looks as if we are not going to be honest, because we're in the range and you have 30 seconds left. 5-minute close, no top wick. Realistically, that's what stopped us. 4 hour close is, yeah, well, this is the 4 hour close, bro. 4 hour close right now is bearish. I mean, the thing you could look at is a wick fill on the 4 hour, but I'm not the biggest fan of it. What, 2k of Xauusd at 2.7 and 2k of hype at 20? Wish me luck. Hey, good luck, bro. When meme coin phase was wild, bro, it was insane. When are we getting a gym video again? Do you guys want to see gym content? I've been thinking about what I'm gonna post on YouTube recently. Yeah, this is actually a good opportunity for me to ask you guys, what kind of content do you want to see? Because I do want to start making a lot more, you know, varied content. I'm gonna make more trading educational content too, like sit down videos, even if it's just like this, like me talking to you. Literally just gonna post stuff like that as well. Gym stuff maybe. Chat, the problem is, right, the gym stuff got like no views when I used to post it. You guys can't ask me for gym stuff and then not run it up. Alright, if I'm gonna post gym stuff, it needs to bang. And I also, to be fair, probably want to get in a bit better shape before I start posting gym stuff again, bro. I've been slacking. Not slacking, but bro, I was looking back at old photos when I was fully dialed in with diet and gym and everything. Different level. Chat, spread just went to about 6 pips here. I don't know if there's about to be some crazy volume, but my spread just went ridiculous. Yeah, my spread's sat at like 6 pips now, and then it keeps changing to 0. Normally that means you're going to see a big spike of volume, but we haven't seen it just yet. Add gym content into the daily vlogs? Yeah, I might do that, to be fair. You need to put the trend in trend lines, G. That's a wise man right there. Just run a shitload of gear. What's good, Nathaniel? Yeah, 4 hour making a top wick right now. Unfortunately, I can't take sells. A lot of the other things closed kind of bullish. Where's the train trade? Direct to TP? I don't know, bro. We need it. But nah, we have to wait here, chat. We have to be patient. Can't complain, mate. Yourself? Yeah, I'm doing very well, man. Can't complain either, to be honest. Cannot complain. Content on trading skills, discipline, psychology. Ah, that's why. Okay, that makes sense. Wait. Thank you, JJ. Yeah, I just wrote that down. Sit down educational videos are a must. Yeah, I'll get back to them for sure. Chat, I've been thinking about this as well. When I move like apartments and country and everything, bro, the apartments that I've been looking at have nice offices. I'm gonna set up the coolest stream setup, literally the sickest setup. I can't wait. I'm actually super excited. I'm going to deck it out. I'm going to get like a big trend line sign. I'm going to have cool shit in the background. Everything. It's going to be sick. It's going to be cool, man. Like studio style shit as well. Nice neon lights, trend lines on the back. Yeah, bro. TRLS on the back, I think. Breakdown of the TRLS plays. Yeah. I'm going to do that, actually. Cool. Put the Ferrari engine in my car? Bro, imagine. Lifestyle videos and motivational videos for traders? Yeah. Bro, I'll do that for sure. It's going to be a mattress on the floor, TV stand, and a camera on top. Crazy. Yeah, have you seen that? Wait, what's that? Oh, wait. There's pictures where it's just like a mattress. Yeah, like this, bro. This is what I'm looking at. Wait. That's going to be the new apartment. It's literally going to be it. It's that. That's got to be the new setup, no? Bro, real talk, I'd sleep like this 100%. I would have an apartment just like this. I don't know how he's getting that in and out, but there you go. Are you shipping your new car abroad? Yeah, most likely, bro. Most likely. I need to see if I can do it, though. There's specific things. If I don't qualify for a certain importation license, then I have to pay like 40% tax on the car, and that's obviously like nearly 20k, so I won't be doing that. Not sure the missus would approve, though. No, I don't think she would, to be fair. I don't think she would. GT3RS, though. Not even 50% of people here like the vid. Chat, make sure you drop a like if you haven't already, man. How many likes are we on, chat? That's an important part. Missus coming with you? Nah, bro, I'm just moving without her. Yeah, of course she is, I think she'd be fuming if I just left, imagine. Yeah, chat, that's true, man. We're only on 36 likes. What's going on? We should easily be above 50 likes right now. Make sure you drop a like on the stream. Don't be a bitch, leave a like. Yeah, trust me. Nice. All right, chat. Pushing back down now. You should see probably a 4-hour wick fill here, to be honest. But again, nothing I can really take. You saw, like, what? A couple of pips on that? Yeah. Chat, it's just way too choppy in this area. 15 minutes, basically a barcode. 1 hour FBG looks juice to fill. I don't know about FBGs, man. This or what? Is this what you're talking about right here? It's a fair value gap now. Like that. We'll see, chat. We shall see. Through the range after Asian run. Yeah, man. I don't know, chat. Look, I think realistically, I don't want to start thinking about FVGs, bro. Now I'm going to start seeing them in my trading. I don't want to see that. But I do think, to be honest, sells once we close below here are going to be super nice. I just need some confirmation first. Until we have the confirmation, not much I can do. Really need to wait for that confirmation, chat. So we'll stay around for the next, like, hour. If nothing forms in the next hour, then I'm going to be pretty much waiting for New York. 15's unappealing. Yeah, the 15's horrible. You're a chop. Don't go to the black side of FPG. Don't want to call you gay ICT. Crazy. But I don't want to even start thinking about ICT or FPGs or anything like that. I think you can genuinely like mess up your trading. Not as crazy. Alright, look, 5 closing. I don't even know what it's closing here. It's not closed yet, but it looks like we're trying to flip on the 5 minute. We did make a bottom wick just now for the 4 hour, albeit a tiny one. ICT confused me more than anything. Yeah, most traders, to be honest, have the same thing. I think it's overly confusing for no reason. Not for no reason, it's to sell a mentorship, but there you go. Yeah, strategies should be super simple. If your strategy's not simple, then it's probably not the best, to be honest. I was talking about that in my podcast as well. Like, if you try and overcomplicate your trading, the only thing it's going to do for you is just fuck up your trading. Like, stick to like 2 or 3 concepts and learn them very well. Like, you only see me talk about like the same thing over and over because I only need a certain amount of concepts. I'm not adding anything else to my trading. I'm just refining what I already have in there because, again, overcomplicating it is really, really just going to affect your trading. Your trading style is very similar to Raja. Yeah, it is. I mean, it's like a hybrid of a few strategies and then my own all mixed into one. I think once you're trading for a certain amount of time, like obviously you have your initial strategy, but then you have to adapt it and you have to find plays, and everyone's gonna see different things. Everyone's gonna see different patterns repeating. You know, we've got like the trend play that we made. You know, we've got the way that I take wick entries on lower time frames as well. A lot of it's based on, you know, what my experience in the market has been and what I've seen throughout looking at the markets and sitting here. Like, chat, imagine sitting on the charts every day for like 4 or 5 hours. Eventually, you know, over 1, 2, 3 years, you're going to start to notice patterns and you're going to start to realize stuff and see repetitive, you know, structure. And once you see that, you can take advantage of it, and then you can sample size it, and then you can implement it to your players, and that's how you start to make your own strategy. It's very, very simple, but it's a very good way to branch out and learn and essentially build your own strategy that you can take advantage of the most because it's the way that your brain works and the things that you see. So it's very, very important to have your own strategy here. Roger, simple, easy trading, and best risk management I've ever seen. No bullshit. Bro, yeah. It's all about being simple and risk management. Like, it really is. That's all it comes down to at the end of the day. All right, chat. Flipping back down, we're very indecisive right now. Very, very indecisive. Like, there's really nothing you can do when the market looks like this, to be honest, other than wait for a closure. We have a 15-minute close in 2 minutes here. If it closes like this, it doesn't look too bad, but at the same point as well, you know, I don't like this choppy range. Yeah, at the end of the day, you don't want to be trading this. But look, chat, 75 of you here. I appreciate it. This year is going to be a sick year. I'm very certain of that because I do believe, especially with, you know, Trump now getting into office, the market's going to be super volatile. It's going to be essentially a year or I guess 4 years of just general wealth creation over and over. So if you can take advantage of that and stay locked in, all you have to do as well, the only thing you have to do is outwork The only thing you have to do is outwork the majority of the population, because as you know, most of these people are absolute fucking idiots. They don't know how to work hard. They don't know how to focus. They don't know how to think for themselves. So as long as you can essentially sit there, recognize patterns, see opportunities, and actually take advantage, you're going to outwork and outthink 99% of the population just by being here, just by actively taking part and trying to focus on making money outside of your job. You are already ahead of the competition. So all you need to do is spot those opportunities, know when to act, and be confident enough to jump on the opportunities. And yeah, this next period of time is going to be huge for wealth creation, like massive. Seriously, like super bullish on that. I think I'm genuinely so hyped for the next couple of years. Nice advice. Thank you, Emmanuel. I appreciate it. Waiting for 10 pips. Yeah, waiting for 10 pips is the move. Waiting for 10 pips is actually the move, bro. All right, look, 15 minutes pushing up here. Closed bullish as well, which is good. 5 minute, I believe, closed. Okay, it's all right. Not too bad. What's good, Danny? Good morning, man. Jordy, what's good? I didn't see you there. What's good, man? How you doing, brother? Good, what's good? Talking to the most beautiful girls in the world, then fly to Tokyo for the cars and drift. What? Insane. Tokyo would be sick, though. I do want to go to Tokyo. Top G, what's good, Jan? Just chilling. Hey, good stuff, Jordy. Good stuff, man. Did you catch anything this morning? I'm chilling, bro. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thailand looks nice. Yeah, it does. But Tokyo for the car scene looks crazy. Like the whole JDM thing. Oh, okay, chat. I think, look, this is what I said earlier. I think we're just going to have a spike straight up when we come out of this range. I've seen this happen a lot of times, chat. You get like a weird consolidation and then you just have a push like this. If we do break through the top of this range, I think you're likely to see a big pop. Unfortunately, I won't be able to take advantage of it though, so we need to wait for the closures. But yeah, if we do push outside the range right now, you're probably going to pop. There's a big spike in volume right now as well. So let's see here, chat. Lock it in a little bit. We've got 14 minutes here to the 4-hour close. Not 4-hour close, 30-minute close. What am I talking about? Yeah, 14 minutes here to the 30-minute close. So much opportunity right now as we get to pick up this volume and come out to the top of this range. Again, we made like a higher low here. All we need now is this closure to confirm the fact that we are going to continue up, and that should take you towards that 27.11 area as a minimum, to be honest. Stops as well can be pretty tight here based on the fact that with 30 minutes sort of made some structure. So yeah, once we do get that closure, that's going to be absolutely ideal, chat. A lot of potential forming right now, so lock it in, stay focused. Let's see what we can do. 42 minutes for the 1 hour, but only 12 minutes here to the 30-minute close. I'm happy to take it on the 30. You just have to remember on the 30-minute, you do have sort of a tighter advantage point, just because there's a sort of a level here at 27.09. That still gives you around like 10 or so pips for your break even, and you can actually even put the break even a little bit higher because we tap into this level every time anyway. So I wouldn't be too concerned about it. But yeah, we'll actually use 27.10 as the break even point, to be honest. Chat, listen, give me 2 seconds. I'll be back in a sec. All right, we're back. We're back, man. Yeah, so little 10-pip win. Hey, nice, Jordy. Good shit. Good shit. Yeah, so we are pushing into the top of this range here. You are struggling a little bit to push through, which is not what I expected, to be honest. I thought we'd just see a straight push through. But that's probably a good thing for us, to be honest. If we can wait towards the 30-minute close and then close outside, that's great. That's even better, right? So let's see, chat. Let's see. 15 minutes still has no bottom wick, though, which is a concern here, to be honest, because you can obviously flip at any point. But we do have a 5-minute about to close here in about 30 seconds, too, which is not that bad either. So, I mean, look, we'll see what happens. A lot of potential forming. If it doesn't form by 10:30, I might call it, to be honest, but we'll see. And yeah, we'll see what happens. I think there's a lot of potential here. Let's look. Let's just wait and see, man. Chat, what are your guys' plans for Q1, though? What goals do you have set for Q1 or even for 2025? I think it's an important question. It's an important thing to ask because we do have essentially a big year ahead of us. You need to be planning on what you want to achieve and you need to be focused on setting goals and then obviously going after them. Female police officer's crazy. Yeah, 5-minute open bottom wick first, not bad. But obviously the 15-minute is also looking like flipping, so depends which one we're going to get to first. If 5 can flip, that's great. If 5 can flip and close above, that'd be absolutely ideal here. Look at the structure as well. So essentially, like, I know we have essentially just a pure range here, but you are making structure within the range as well. It's obviously way too choppy to trade, but now you've tapped to the bottom of the range. You're making these higher lows and higher highs. If you can now just come down, do something like this, that's going to be when we grab our entry here to then fill up towards the top of the range in the clean traffic. Getting leaner, getting funded, that's a good goal, bro. Yeah, gym and trading combined is huge. That's something that I've been focused on a lot again recently is just trying to lock in that like the whole lifestyle, right? It really does go hand in hand. If you can stay disciplined with the gym and with eating, you can stay disciplined with your trading. 3 minutes chat to the 5-minute close. The 5-minute did just flip up, which is great. Should expect to see a continuation up outside the range now, hopefully, especially if we get some volume. What are you looking at for stop loss? If the 30 closes above, we'll look for stop loss below the previous 30, which is going to be like somewhere between 30 and 35 pips, hopefully. Yeah, which is not bad. I can't use the 15 because it's got no wick. Want to pass my challenge and secure some payouts? That's a good goal, me. It's a good goal. Yeah, I think that's just a genuinely like achievable goal too. Pass my funded, being more patient on the charts. Nice. Yeah, patience is a big one, and obviously if you lock in the patience, that's probably what's going to pass your funded, right? So I would think about it the other way around. Like first you want to be more patient on the charts, then you want to you want to pass your funded. You gonna buy now? What's good, Julie? Not yet. I'm waiting for the closure here in about 7 minutes, and then we'll be looking at buys. So only 7 minutes till we most likely grab some buys here, if we close outside this range. It looks like we do want to. Also, the other thing we can look at as well is a wick entry. If we close outside the range and tap back into like 2707, something like that, then we can catch the buys all the way up. Get better advantage points. Stops are going to be a lot tighter too. Nice little flip as well. Could be very clean, chat. So we'll see what we do on that front. But yeah, the wick entry is not a bad idea either. 6 minutes, chat. Stay focused. Stay locked in. There's so much potential right now. A lot of potential. So yeah, just stay locked in. You don't want to miss this. Bomo. What's crypto doing? 265. Bitcoin. Bro, Bitcoin is ripping up. I want to see Ethereum back up to like 4 or 5k again. That'd be really nice. Francesco, what's good, man? Long time no see. Hey, welcome back, bro. Welcome back. Okay, chat. 6 minutes. 5 minute actually reflipped. Almost at chapter 5 of the course. I don't know if you saw it in the Discord, but while learning about entries, I caught some nice trades. Yeah, I saw, Danny. Good stuff. Congrats, man. Metallic feels like an ICT trader. Gay. Crazy. Yeah, I'm not sure about that, bro. Like, yeah, ETH's a bit of a difficult one. See what it does. Now, are we going to reject off this level and just continue to range? That's the problem if we do actually end up doing that, to be honest. Really don't want to see that. I'd much rather see us close back above the level here. Although, if you do close bearish on the 15 or even the 5, right, you could potentially look at the sells to continue back down. Just a little bit difficult for me to do that right now with the 30 close looming. Looming, you know, that's a very, I don't know. Sounds like a novel or something. Foreshadowing there. Sky Dweller, yeah. Yeah, 5 minutes Sky Dweller could have worked. Obviously now you've closed no bottom wick, so not really. Is the Discord link working? Let's check. Should do. Discord.gg/TRLS. Oh, it might have changed. That's weird. Oh, wait. Did we... I think we... Oh, we lost our level 3 boost. That's crazy. Alright, wait. Okay, perfect. That was actually me that lost it. Wait. I should be able to get a custom invite link back. I don't know, man. Anyway, chat, look, we've got 3 minutes here. I'm going to set that up after stream. I don't want to do it right now, obviously. But yeah, there's a lot of opportunity here for us, chat. So, it should work now as well, by the way, the Discord link. Realistically, chat, depending on whether we close above here or not, it's going to depend on whether we get positions. But we got 3 minutes to the 30-minute close. It looks as if we do want to push up. The pushes up are a lot stronger than the ones that are pushing us down. I've got a feeling that we're going to run right now before the close, which is not ideal, so we don't really want to do that. So if we can close somewhere around here, or even push up and then retrace to leave us a top wick, like a little bit, not too much, that'd be great. Otherwise, chat, if you do flip here, you're probably going to continue back down into the range. 5 minute, currently no top wick, as well as the 15 minute. After the closure, that doesn't matter, but for right now, obviously, it can flip at any point. But for me, with my trading, I don't really mind no bottom wicks after closes, right? So this 15 is not going to play too much of an impact for me. I would like a wick entry on the 30, though. I think that could be very, very nice. Somewhere around, like, 27.07. And then you could have actually stops. You could have stops below the range. Got MFA locked out of my old account. Ah, tough, bro. 2 minutes, chat. What time is Trump stuff? I don't know, bro. When the Americans are up, they're not up yet. All right, lock it in, chat. 2 minutes. Noon EST. There you are. Omar's told you. Noon EST. Chat, let's try and get to 60 likes on today's stream before this closure. We have a minute and 50 till we close. Let's try and get to that 60 like mark before the closure happens. There's already 82 of you in here right now. So much love, much appreciation. It really does help out. And obviously we are trying to grow these streams coming into 2025. With that being said, I think there's some potential for positions here. All I need to see now, chat, is simply a closure above here, open with the bottom wick. We'll hopefully get in on the bottom wick. If we can't, we'll be in off the flip. And yeah, we'll be in off the flip and it should be good. 15 likes? Nah, we're on a bit more than 15 and you just have to refresh. If it was 15, bro, I'd stop streaming. I'm playing. 1 minute, chat. Is it going to do us dirty here? Or are we going to actually close above? All right, start to lock it in here. We're pushing up as well, breaking the highs again. It might just fly without us. If it does push up, chat, top wick first, I'll stay on till the 1 hour close because, yeah, we'll be able to grab something. Or is it going to close no top wick on the 5? That'd also be horrible. Need to see a pullback here to leave a wick, to be honest. Can we leave a wick, chat? 14 seconds. Need a pullback. Big time. Chat. That is fucking crazy. That is insane. Yeah. What a closure that is. Holy shit. Gold at its finest, eh? Gold at its finest. We love it. We absolutely love it, chat. Look at this 1 minute candle on the closure before. It just decided to push 10 pips randomly out of nowhere. The second before the close. Chat, we're going to wait for the hourly here, most likely. Or the next 15, probably. Holy shit, chat. The hourly is actually a lot cleaner, so it might be nicer for us to catch it on the hourly, but that 15-minute candle, Jesus, sorry, the 30-minute candle, holy shit. Chat, it's cooked. Let's start a scrap as well. Yeah, right at the level 2, you're right. Chat, not good. Yeah, 15 no top or bottom wick. Insane. Really, really crazy, chat. What a lovely Monday morning to come and trade gold here. Definitely not going insane right now. Fucking gold, man, honestly. Why did I have to do that for us? Watch though, you've tapped back into the level here. Watch you just pop straight back up and rip here. Actually, I don't know. With the no top wick, most likely not. Nothing I can do here, chat, until at least the next 15 closure. I will stay on for it. Actually, will I? Yeah, I will. I will. I was debating it then, but now we will stay on. Coffee is absolutely ice cold. That is disgusting. Oh, chat, that is vile. Why did I drink it again as well? Literally said it was vile and then went for the next swig straight after. Textbook stuff. Oh, that's horrible. Can you explain why you wouldn't enter? No top wick, bro. It means no range. It means there's no range for us to continue up. So it's like basically that no top wick has formed like a support here. Sorry, a resistance. So that essentially means that once you have no top wick forming that resistance, you are now, you're essentially at the resistance, right? You wouldn't take buys here if this was your normal 1 hour resistance, right? Like that, you know? You just wouldn't take buys. So because it's on the 30-minute, it doesn't make a difference. There's no range. Yeah, so it forms a resistance, and then obviously, like I said, you don't want to be taking those buys at resistance. Does it mean it's indecisive? Yeah, it just means that there's no more range for it to push, right? When you have a wick like this is a range, right? Because the wick's on a lower time frame. There's an episode about this on the course, Danny, but on the lower time frame, the wick is essentially just a range like this, see? Like you would put your level here, you'd put your support and resistance level here. On the 1 hour, all that is a wick. So you might think, oh, you know, there's no level here, but there is. obviously now you have a wick to fill. Whereas when you got the no top wick time frame right here, that's your level right there on the 30. Now we're at that level on the 5. It could still push through, but you just wouldn't want to take resistance buys out of resistance. It just doesn't make much sense, right? That's all it means. 5 minute does want to close like doji though, which is not a bad thing. It's technically making a wick for the previous candle. But again, chat, it's just not a clean setup again. Not ideal. Oh. Yeah, what do you guys think I should do though? I really want to do a nice meetup when I get to like my new apartment and everything. Like not necessarily at the apartment, don't get me wrong, but like I know not many people are going to be able to get there. So I was thinking about doing it within the trading group, like within the private group, or like make it invite only, or not invite only, but make it so there's like limited slots or something like that. Or I don't know. I want to do something sick during summer though, like super cool. A little trading vacation, you know, we'll trade like New York and London live and then go do cool shit in the afternoon. That'd be so cool. I just need to figure out how to plan it. I've never really done anything like this, so I'm not really sure which way to go about it or how to make it fair or anything like that. So back on TradingView, nice. Ticket it? Yeah. You could ticket it. Not a bad idea, to be fair. Makes it yeah, I guess it's the only way to make sense. Bro, I need to stop drinking that. Chat, this is tough. There's room up until like at least 27.10, right? 27.11 at least. I just need to wait for this closure. You know what I might do? I might actually call it a session here. We'll play the Geoguessr, and then if it's forming, right? You guys know what to take. It's an hourly close above, and then essentially I'll be taking it in the private group, right? But I'll be looking at the same position anyway. I think there's nothing to do here for the next like 25 minutes. There's no trade I can take, so realistically, I think we'll call it here, chat. It's been a good start to the Monday session, but again, price was just not ideal at all. You know, we'll play the Geoguessr, and then I'll be in the Discord if you guys have any questions or anything, and obviously for the private group I'll be streaming NY. So thank you guys for pulling up to the stream. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, all that stuff. Stick around for the Geoguessr if you want to, but if you are going to jump off right now, make sure just on the way out click the like button, because it really does help out and it's completely free. Check you off for the PM session. All right, Danny, in a bit, man. You guys are quiet today. Take the trash with you. Are you going live for NY? I'm going to be live in the private group for NY in my Discord, because that's where I've started doing NY sessions now. So yeah, I'll be live in there. If you do want to join, there's the link. Otherwise, I'll see you guys again for London session tomorrow morning. Yeah, I'm gonna start the game in about 20 seconds here. That's insane. I want to know who that is. That's ridiculous. W stream, SG. Hey, thank you, Joe. I appreciate it. All right, chat. 3, 2. Oh, I'm starting it up. W's. Bro, I hate these ones in the middle of nowhere. Got some doggers over here. Always good. Where we at? I'm gonna go there. Fuck it. Stick it in the middle of nowhere. Not really. It's right next to Moscow. Yeah. W's. How's that still 162 kilometers, bro? That city's huge. What a win. Pedo got 2 points. This looks familiar. I feel like this is somewhere out here. I'm gonna go like stick it here. Take my bets. Yeah, Slovenia. Not bad. Close enough. I'll take it. Did you boys see tomorrow? In a bit, Nathaniel, man. In a bit. Who's Windy Town? I don't know where this is, to be honest. I've got absolutely no clue. I think I might be very wrong on this one. Yeah, fair enough. Where is that? Philippines. Yeah, fair play. Shit, you're catching up, Triz. This is abandoned as fuck. Bob Trading, you know. I feel like it's got to be somewhere here. Like, I actually don't know where it is. It looks kind of Greek, but also... Where is that? Lebanon. What? That's a mad one. Alright. Final round, chat. Arabic country? I feel like it's... I'm gonna take a wild guess here, but it looks like fucking here. Or, wait, no, Medellin. Yeah, bro, I thought so. It looks like Colombia. What a W, chat. Alright, listen. Hold that smoke, chat. Real quick, just hold it. Absolutely smoked all of you. Look. Have a great rest of your day, chat. If you're going to join the New York stream in the Discord, make sure you do, and I'll see you in there. Otherwise, chat, trade responsibly. I'll catch you all later. Peace out. Much love. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.